Summer 1942, Germany advances again, this time toward the east, Operation Blue. The goal is simple: oil, industry, and prestige. At the center of it all, a city on the Volga, Stalingrad, not because it is beautiful, not because it is strategic alone, because of its name. German tanks roll across burning villages. Columns move day and night. The Luftwaffe arrives first. On August 23rd, the city is turned into fire. Tens of thousands die in hours. What remains are ruins. But inside those ruins, the Red Army stays. Factories become fortresses, basements become bunkers, every stairway becomes a front line. Soldiers fight for single rooms, for hallways, for piles of bricks. They call it Rotten Creek, Radvar. Reinforcements cross the Volga under fire. Some arrive, many don't. Snipers hide among collapsed walls. Machine guns wait behind broken windows. No street is safe. No building is empty. The city eats armies. By autumn, the Germans hold most of Stalingrad, but they are exhausted. Their supply lines stretch hundreds of kilometers. Winter is coming. Then, everything changes. November 19, 1942, the Soviet counteroffensive begins. Operation Uranus. Not inside the city, around it. Armored columns strike the flanks. Within days, the 6th Army is surrounded. 300,000 men, encircled. Hitler orders them to stay. No retreat, no breakout. The airlift fails, food disappears, ammunition runs out, frostbite spreads, hope fades. January 31st, 1943, Field Marshal Friedrich Paulus surrenders. For the first time in history, a German field marshal is captured alive. 2 days later, what remains of the 6th Army collapses. From this moment on, the Eastern Front only moves west. This was not just a battle, it was the turning point of the war, the beginning of the end.